how to fix Pinterest not downloading on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Pinterest not downloading on Android phone. First open settings and here scroll down until you find apps or applications. Click on it and then click apps here and here type Pinterest. Click on it and then click force stop and go to permissions, and here you will find storage. You will find it like that. Here you will find it here. Click on it and make it allow and go back, and now go to storage, clear cache, and that's it. Now try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, then just clean some space, delete some photos and videos, and try again. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.